Hey everybody, it's time for another Birkmeyer break, and I know I'm going to be talking technology, which is like my least favorite thing. Why? Because I think the typewriter is coming back. Okay, no, not true, but here's the thing. When we talk about virtual learning and we talk about setting up some lessons, one of the things that I would encourage you to do this school year is anytime we're doing live teaching, record yourself doing direct instruction. I'm not talking about recording you doing taking of attendance, which is like the releasing of the wildebeests. No, I'm talking about literally when you do an instructional piece, which might only be a couple minutes long, videotape that and start building the archive. Best part is, kid doesn't get it, guess what? You can say, hey, you didn't get it live from me, but go over here, get on your Chromebook, get on your iPad, and let's listen to it again. Wow, so many great opportunities in teaching this year. And that's your Birkmeyer break.